Okay, so this is image number 3, or the third one that we're trying together. I start with my surface area formula always, so that any other mathematician who picks up my paper knows exactly what it is I'm trying to solve for. So I've got surface area equals 2 times length times width, plus 2 times width times height, plus 2 times length times height. This figure had a length of 6, it had a width of 3, and a height of 4. If you don't agree with this, if you have your length as your width or your width as your length, that's okay, as long as you keep it whatever it is in here. We're doing everything twice, so it doesn't really matter. That's why I always like to write myself this love note over at the side, identifying what I want the length and the width and the height to be. That way I can keep track when I'm substituting into my formula. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite my formula. And I've got a length of 6 and a width of 3. And I've got a width of 3 and a height of 4. And I have a length of 6 and a height of 4. So now all I did was I substituted my length, my width, and my height in. Anywhere I saw an L, a W, and an H, I'm going to do a quick check. Make sure that anywhere I had an L, I've got a 6 substituted in. Anywhere I had a W, I have a 3 substituted in. And anywhere I had an H, I've got a 4 substituted in. Don't worry about memorizing this formula so much. Usually when you are given a problem for surface area, they will give you the formula up at the top. So you don't really have to worry about memorizing it as much as you have to worry about substituting these numbers in, and then of course doing the computation correctly. So I've got 2 times 18 plus 2 times 12 plus 2 times 24. So now I have surface area equals 2 times 18 equals 36, 2 times 12 equals 24, and 2 times 24 equals 48. I'll do a little side math for you here. To add those 3 numbers up, I've got 6 plus 4 equals 10, plus 8 equals 18, and 4 plus 2 equals 6, plus 3 equals 10, plus 3 equals 9, plus 1 equals 10. Jumped the gun there. So I have a surface area here of 108 centimeters squared. I always make sure that I go back and check my units to make sure that I'm labeling them the correct units. I'm always squaring it. We use 2 of every dimension. That's where our squared comes in. So the answer for image 3, the third one, is 108 centimeters squared.